Alright, we did nucleic acids. I'm Ian.
And I'm Noah.
Here we go. Some foods with high amounts of nucleic acids include brewer's yeast, sushi, nuts, wheat germ, bran, oats, onions, spinach, asparagus, eggs,
Beans/legumes, fruits, mushrooms, sweetbread, peas, lentils, cauliflower, and alcoholic beverages.
So the monomers of nucleic acids are made up of nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a nitrogenous base, the ribose sugar, and a phosphate group. There are 4 different nucleotides below. There's adenine. Circled in blue is the phosphate group, which has a phosphorus atom and 4 oxygen atoms. And then there's the ribose group, which is the sugar molecule. And then there's the nitrogenous base of adenine, which has a ring with double bonds in it connecting nitrogen and an amino group to another 2 nitrogen. That's another 5 carbon ring, but with nitrogen in it. And then guanine, you can see the phosphate group circled in blue again, which is the phosphorus and the 4 oxygen, connected to the ribose sugar, and that sugar is then connected to the nitrogenous base of guanine, which has an amino group double bonded to a nitrogen, double bonded to a carbon, singly bonded to a carbon, and then another oxygen. That's a 6 carbon ring bonded to another nitrogen ring to the side of it. Next you see cytosine, again the phosphorus group connected to the ribose sugar, and then the nitrogenous base, which has an amino group, a double bonded nitrogen, a double bonded oxygen, another nitrogen, and then 2 other carbons which are double bonded to each other. Our thymine, the nitrogenous base, consists of double bonded carbon to a double bonded oxygen to a nitrogen bonded to a hydrogen to a double bonded oxygen to a nitrogen, and that makes a 6-sided ring. And we have the ribose sugar connected again to the phosphate group.
The polymers of nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. DNA is made up of the 4 monomers thymine, guanine, cytosine, and adenine. RNA is made up of uracil, guanine, cytosine, and adenine. Below are the structures of DNA base pairs, guanine with cytosine and thymine with adenine. The distinguished RNA base pair is uracil with adenine.
The functions of nucleic acids. DNA, a nucleic acid, is essential for all living things. DNA codes for all the components of living things, from cells all the way to organ systems. So RNA is responsible for protein synthesis in living things. There are different forms of RNA involved, like messenger RNA and transfer RNA.
The elements involved in nucleic acids are carbon and hydrogen, which are involved in the ribose sugar and nitrogenous bases of nucleotides. Nitrogen, hence the name, is present in the nitrogenous bases. Oxygen is present in the nitrogenous base, ribose sugar, and the phosphate group. Phosphorus is involved in the central part of the phosphate group.
So that's our project. Thanks for listening.